Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another unboxing and it is from Next. And it is the For You box. And the reason I got it is because it's £10. Next do a load of them. They're always bringing out new ones all the time. You've got little beauty mix boxes, so lots of different brands in boxes, ranging from £10 to I think 20, 30. Sometimes we've had more like 50, £60. Plus they do one brand boxes as well. Like they've just released a new one from Living Proof and I think that's about £35, £40. There is a load of them on the website. So as well as this box, I will pop a link to the actual page so then you're able to see what the other boxes are if you want to take a look, that is. I love it when they do affordable boxes and I had to get it. I had to share it with you. On the back here it's got to and from, so it would make a really great gift to give someone for a birthday or whatever. A nice gift treat. As well as links to this box, you'll find down below in my description all my other discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got currently running. So yeah, if you want to take a look, then you're welcome to do so. So let's open this up. I haven't opened it up yet. I just picked it up this morning. There's no leaflet in there. Sometimes they do leaflets. Other times they don't. Just make sure I've got everything and there's nothing small, little sample size hiding in it. No. We've got 4 products in this box, starting off with the smelliest one, which is a candle. This smells gorgeous. This is Tropical Breeze from Yankee Candle. This is so cute. Look at this. All the products that you see in these Next boxes you can purchase individually off the Next website, so if you want to learn a little bit more about them then you can find them online. Now a lot of the boxes do have a lot of crossovers, but that's not to say there's anything bad about it. It's just, yeah, it's just not, oh my gosh. It's just, I've forgotten what I was saying. What's I saying? Just the boxes can be quite samey. But you get to see exactly what's in the boxes on the website, so you make your decision that way. This just smells beautiful. This is so cute. I love candles. Look, it is so, so cute. Oh, it smells amazing. What is it? It smells of mango, tropical breeze. Yeah, it doesn't really say. Grapefruit, orange, and yeah, grapefruit, orange. Oh, I love that. A little Yankee Candle there. Next up, face mask. PIXI, this is a vitamin C Energizing Infusion sheet mask. It contains caffeine, vitamin C, ferulic acid, and yeah, it's a one-use sheet mask. You leave it on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and then you massage the remaining serum into your face. It has all the information on how to use one on the back there. So nice for getting rid of pigmentation or trying to get rid of pigmentation. Then we've got a mascara. I love this mascara. It's Roller Lash by Benefit. This is such a good mascara. This is black, tiny bristles and a curved wand. See? When I first saw this mascara, I was thinking there's no way that's going to do anything to my lashes. I haven't got very nice lashes. They're very short, straight. Yeah, don't like them, but this does work. It does work, and I particularly like it for my bottom lashes as well because I'm able to get right in there. So yeah, happy to have another one. And then lastly in the box, we have got here, this is a luxury hand and body wash from Apolthecary, London, and this is Velvet Peony, and there's 100 mils there, so really nice size. Now I might have had this before. I got a feeling I've had it in other Next beauty boxes. I'm sure it's the same scent. Definitely had products from this brand before. It smells of roses, which I'm not keen on, but this is all right. Yeah, it's a nice scent. It is nice. So definitely use that. It's a nice size as well to take away for a weekend or something. So yeah, so those are all the products in the box. So we've got a Yankee Candle, we've got a hand and body wash, we've got a mascara and a vitamin C sheet mask. So I think for £10, I think that is a really lovely box. This alone is £10. You can buy lots of Benefit minis. So essentially you're buying a mascara and you're getting these for free. You're probably looking at around £20, £22, something like that worth of products there. So above the cost of the actual box. If I was given this box as a gift from a friend, then I'd be really chuffed, really chuffed. It's got a bit of everything, isn't it? No, I do really like it. So yeah, so that is the Just For You box. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go for it? Or are you watching this thinking, for myself or for someone else, or you're thinking, oh, do you know what, Claire, it's not worth it. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.